Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Topaz Video Enhance AI. Alright, let's begin. To download Topaz Video Enhance AI, start by opening your browser and searching for Topaz AI. From the search results, tap on the official Topaz Labs website. Once you're on the website, tap on the person icon at the top right, and you will be on this page. Here, then select the Downloads option from the menu. On the Downloads page, scroll down to explore various software options provided by Topaz. Since you're looking specifically for Topaz Video Enhance AI, scroll back up where you'll see two download choices, Mac and Windows. If you're using a Mac, tap on the Mac download option. If you're using Windows, tap on the Windows download option instead. Once you select the correct version, the file will begin downloading. Wait for the download to complete. After that, tap on the downloaded installer file to begin the installation process. In the installer window, tap Next. Check the agreement box when prompted, and continue tapping Next through the setup steps until you see the install option. Tap Install, and the software will be fully installed on your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install Topaz Video Enhance AI. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.